Good noon time, everybody. That northwest wind that we promised you, it finally showed up. It showed up about sunrise this morning, and it's getting stronger and stronger. Already we've seen wind gusts of 35 miles an hour to the north of us. We're already cooling down. We peaked out at about 70, and the temperature will continue dropping tomorrow morning. Instead of being at about 58, 59, we're going to be down to about 44, 45. So much colder by tomorrow morning. But daytimes will continue in the 60s. So, it's not bad at all. Temperatures up in North Texas right now in the mid-50s. You can see how everybody is now dealing with that north wind, and it's going to be rather blustery overnight. We'll see wind gusts to 35 miles an hour all around our area. They're already up north. They're just moving south slowly but surely. And then tomorrow, of course, we continue with that red flag warning. Now, red flag warning means very high winds and very low humidities, so fires can start very quickly. If you're driving around at the ranch property or going out to the deer lease, just be careful where you park your pickup truck, because we don't want any grass fires. There you see how the rest of Texas, from Dallas down to San Antonio and Houston, they're under the high wind advisory as well. Now, for us, the storm that brought us the clouds a couple days ago is all pulled away. It is now going to be a huge problem on the East Coast. This is that stronger burst of northerly winds that will blow in tonight. So that's where we're going to see the 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But then we look upstream, and we've got about 2 days of relatively dry weather. This big storm on the northwest coast is going up and over Texas, so it's not going to be a factor, although the tail end of that will have something to do with us. Let me show you the water vapor. You can see this is where the big rainstorm is going to be over the next 48 hours. If you're flying from here anywhere on the other side of the Mississippi, you're going to be dealing with a heavy rainfall, 2 to 4 inch rainfall, as this storm starts rolling up toward the east and becomes, believe it or not, a snowstorm for much of the inland areas from the Appalachians. The northwest coast, well, getting hammered again, but high pressure is blocking those from moving in our direction. So let's take a look at what's happening in Texas. Here is your range activity. Here are your high winds, which will be stronger actually tonight, and those winds will continue buffeting the region right on through Friday. But then by Saturday, they settle down, and things are going to be looking a little better as we get over to Saturday and Sunday. Here's another look at the big storm rolling up the Atlantic seaboard. Very heavy rain, and then it turns into snow right about there. That would be Saturday morning. By Sunday, it does begin to pull away and give them a break while another one comes into the northwest coast. So your 7-day forecast here in South Texas, trust me, we've got some of the best weather in the country for the next couple of days. 70 was the earlier temperature, then 66 the high tomorrow. First day of winter. Not going to feel like winter. And then cool and dry for Saturday, Sunday. Monday, the tail end of a front comes in and gives us some clouds and maybe a little light rain for Christmas Day, but not enough to really mess up the opportunity. So y'all have a great weekend. If you're taking off driving, have a great drive in Texas. You've got perfect weather to get out there. That's your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy, and we'll toss it back to you, Mike.
All right. Thank you for that, Mac.